BC Wafula Chebukati otimo lokruok mag nono tese ombulu e log tich mar kwano ombulu mar Bomas of Kenya. Chebukati wacho ni kaluwore kod thuolo malach mikao mar nono boke go, returning officers mantie lai mondo mi ochwalo boke achiel kachiel manono kendo puodhogi. Kamano bende ochiwo chik mondo jogo mok gin chief agents kata jolupgi mantiere e Bomas mondo mi owuogi kendo koro ogeng'ne ma bende kendo gine mibiro yienegi donjo kanyo.
In order to optimize the process and guarantee faster processing of the results, and to be able for us to meet our constitutional timelines for processing of the presidential results, the Commission has reviewed the results process flow as follows. 1. The returning officers who are on the queue shall proceed to hand over the original results to the National Returning Officer immediately after this announcement. Thereafter, they report to the ICT desk for verification of the transmitted results from 34As against the original from 34As. We shall have sufficient ICT desks. I believe they are there to process them immediately. And thereafter, the presidential agents will be given copies of the results from 34As and from 34Bs for their own use. And in the event that you require the original documents, they'll be available on the desks for verification. So we are simply reversing the flow of the process which is ongoing. And we believe that this will fasten the process, and we should be able to dispose of with the returning officers in the course of today so they can go and do other duties.
This tally center will only allow presence of agents, of presidential agents, the people that will help them in the work that is ongoing at the floor of the tally center, the chief agents, the deputy chief agents, and the clerks that are verifying, doing the verification process on the floor of the House. Nobody else will be allowed to sit in this auditorium from this minute on. We are also saying at the gate, we have given instructions, nobody should access this venue. And so from now on, if you are on the dais, on the terrace, and you are not a chief agent, a deputy chief agent, or the assistant to the chief agents by way of legal advice, and if you are not a clerk working on the floor of this tally center, can you please find your way out of the tally center? And that is the instructions we have given to the police.